Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Nina's Cookbook. Now if you all like our birthday girl and you love all things noodles and eggs, and if you like it all in a bowl with your favorite toppings and little puppies like these, then this is the right place for you. So Komal's my 9-year-old niece. In fact, she just turned 9 and she loves everything noodles and she also loves eggs. So I was thinking as to what do I make for her, and I thought I'll make this noodle bowl, have some boiled egg on top as a topping and some other ones that she likes, and then just call it Komal's Noodleicious birthday bowl. So hey Komal, here's Marcy wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and I hope you like my little treat for you. So let's just dive into the recipe. If you like what you see, I'd love for you to support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and clicking the bell icon next to it to be alerted each time I post a video. So to make the noodle bowl, let's first get all the prep work done and keep everything ready as it goes into the pan one by one very quickly. For the noodles, I've taken a brown rice and quinoa spaghetti and boiled it per the directions on the package. Next, let's get the vegetables prepped up. I'm going to first slice up a small piece of onion, next a bell pepper, some mushrooms because I like them, some green onions we're going to cut at an angle for garnish, a baby bok choy, and boy, if this isn't a beauty, I don't know what is. And some carrots that I'm going to shred. But before that, I want to introduce you to this wonderful tool, a vegetable shredder, which I think is a great idea to have in your kitchen. It's cheap to buy and very user-friendly and makes cutting this carrot into shreds a breeze. Check it out. Next, for adding flavor, we will take a little piece of ginger, a few cloves of garlic per taste, and a little bit of green chili, again optional. And let's sauvage a lot, grind them into a paste. And now for the sauces that go in, I'll take a little bowl and I'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, it could be the green one or the red one, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, which gives a little bit of a sweetness and it's optional. If you don't have it, you don't need to add it. Then I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of chicken stock, and if you don't have chicken stock, you can just go ahead and crush up a bouillon cube and mix it with a little water and add that. That gives an extra flavor. If you don't have chicken stock, you could just add a little bit of water, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch flour or tapioca flour, whichever you have on hand, that acts as a thickener. Then let the cooking begin. In a really well-heated pan, we'll add the crushed ginger, garlic, and chilies, and about a cup or so of ground chicken or a meat of your choice. And we'll cook this until it's well done or a little brown in color. If you're a vegetarian, you will obviously omit the chicken and go right to the vegetables. Next, I'll add the onions, mushrooms, and red bell peppers. And we add these later because we don't want them to be overcooked and lose their crunch. And just after a minute, I'll add the carrot strings and the noodles and stir them well. After cooking the noodles for a minute or two, I'll add the sauce slurry to the mix and stir well. As the sauce coats everything, it gives it a brown color and gloss. And oh man, it all smells so delicious in here. Then let it cook for another minute or so and give it a taste test. The chewy noodles, fragrant with garlic, ginger, and the sauces, the juicy bits of chicken, and the crispy, crunchy, colorful vegetables make the dish taste so heavenly. If you've noticed, we've added only the red and orange ingredients into the main dish, and we'll use the green ingredients as toppings to garnish the dish. You, of course, can do whatever you like, use whatever toppings you like, whatever floats your boat. And now for those toppings. Again, use what you like. I'm using some boiled edamame or young soybeans, some crushed roasted peanuts, and some bok choy that I cooked for less than 30 seconds in the microwave with a little water. And finally, a perfectly boiled egg with a sunny orange-yellow colored yolk is the star, or rather the sun, of the toppings. Ah yes, and don't forget those green onions. So that's how Komal's Noodleicious birthday bowl is made.